Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, July 13, and the time is around 12 midnight GMT. And here we are looking at the chart of the DAX today, 60 minutes chart. We can see we ended this pullback in the form of a double zigzag here, W, X, Y. Right, ABC, ABC, and ended the 4 at 15302. Since then we have already started the next leg higher with 5, and we can see 1 2 3 4 5 ending 105 right here soon, or already either we already ended somewhere here, or we will do one more marginal high before we are pulling back. So expect the pullback to happen soon, and the pullback is going to be in 3 or 7 swing, and as long as this pullback here stays above 15302, we should be looking for more upside again. Next target is going to be with 3, which is at least 100% of with 1. So once we see where with 1 and with 2 ends, we can start measuring the target for with 3. But for now we're looking for the pullback here in 3 swing, which we like to basically in the long side. As you can see, in the right side is up, meaning we don't like selling since the right side means it is bullish against 15302. Now if we look at the larger degree, looking at the 4-hour chart now, so here is the wave 4 in blue, this is Y, X, W, so this has to be a wave 3 right here. So we are basically looking at the wave 5 here. As you can see, we break to new all-time high in the DAX. If you upgrade to the weekly, we are at the all-time high here. So there's no reason to speculate we are forming a major top or anything like that. And we should be looking for the upside within the wave 5 right now. And the wave 5 in blue should subdivide into another 5 waves, and that's your wave 1 of 5 here. So again, this pullback here should be well supported, should find support in 3 or 7 swings. On 3 swings should be finding support later on for yet another leg higher for a new all-time high again. Okay, so that's the update for today. And as always, if you do want to get regular updates on indices, stocks, Forex, commodities, feel free to check out our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. See you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.